Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Ndunde. If you're new here, you're most welcome. As you can see, I am in a different kind of a background, and that is because I have some exciting news. We are finally getting rid of the furniture, well, most of the furniture in this house. So we finally want to change up this sitting room because we've had these seats for like about 8-9 years up to now, and as you can see, yeah, we just had a Fundi come and talk to us and tell us and explain to him the designs that we want for our seats, the seats that we want. So I want to show you the before and the after, and then also sit you down and then let the Fundi explain just a little bit of what he will be doing, and then yeah, I'll insert the video after this. So stick around and watch the entire video and see how it is. So we do have a 5-seater that looks different from the one that is in front of me, which looks awful. It looks bad. We had bought this chair from Furniture Palace around 2-3 years ago, I think around 2 years ago, and it looks terrible. I guess if you have children around, stay away from these seats if they are young enough, the ones that jump all over the seats, the ones that, because the seat is just near the window and they love to jump on it. It's a sofa bed, so it looks terrible. We also need that one to go and get renovated. So yeah, we are changing up everything, and tomorrow I'll be taking you with me as well to Tile and Carpet Center to look for a material, because the materials that he has, we don't quite like it. So we will be going with him. I will be going with him to Tile and Carpet Center to look for materials for these seats. Now I am doing this video today because these seats are going just now, as we have, like, this is now like the last we've had it with these seats and the sitting room looking like this, because it looks bad. It looks bad, I know, but everyone has to have a budget to work with. So yeah, we looked for, he's the one that made the seats that we've had. He was in that place where we had bought it. He's a Fundi, so he did go and open his own place. So let me, without too much blabbling, let me just show you the seats, how they look. So this is the first seat. This is the design that we had opted for that time. This is how it looks. The throw pillows, I'll stay, those are mine actually, so those ones and the seat are going. Then I have these other two. Can you see what my children have done? Okay, still. And then I didn't want this design as well because these zips zimeharibika mara kama tano. Every time after washing them zinaharibika, every damn time. So these seats are also going. I will be showing you the designs that we will make later, because he'll take about a week to make these seats again. And this quality was actually very nice. As you can see, this is the color that was when we bought the seats. It's kind of suede, and this is how it looks. We had still bought this quality of fabric from Tile and Carpet Center, which is why we've had them that long and we have never renovated them. So yeah, now the terrible one is this seat. This seat, you wash it in a week and then the children come here in less than a week. It looks bad. I had washed these seats last week. Look at how it's looking. But anyway, that's not even why. The seat is broken. This what do I call them? Is it stand? Miguu zake zimeharibika zote. From this one, that one, that one, and that one. all of them. So we need it to be changed. Everything needs to be changed. So yeah, the Fundi will do all that. I will not be taking you with me to his workshop, but probably I'll let him say a few words so that you can get to know him, because he's a really trustworthy Fundi. He's not like most Fundis. Yeah, so he was here, he just gave us a quotation, which is what we will be working with. So for all these seats, and I am so excited because these seats, I don't even like sitting here because of how they look. So here, hizi viti zinahitaji yake kazi.
So we can maintain the piping rather than introduce hoppers. So kwa mkono hapa tunaweza ongeza padding. Kisha ongeza padding, then tunaweza tumia hiyo mechanism ya nini ya kuweka hizo steps everywhere. Kuweka hizo steps kwa back, kuweka hizo steps kwa mkono pia, rather than introduce the deep pattern. Kwa hiyo itakuwa imechange design yake total. We can go for this. Sawa. Hiyo iko sawa.
Na huko cushion unafanya aje hapa kwa nini? The place where kukaa.
Hapo pa kukaa.
Kwa sababu lazima ikue bila hiyo cushion ya kutoa hiyo. Bila unatoa hii itakuwa removable.
Haitakuwa removable,
iko intact.
Haya, si ni sawa? That's also possible. That's also possible. So kumaanisha ikiwa detached, what tunaweka lining ndani, then inashonwa na piece ya kitambaa. But ikiwa cushion ni intact, cushion inaweka tu permanent ya kufika somewhere, lakini iko permanent. At the same time you can decide either ikwe tu cushion peke yake plain, ama iwekwe nini kama vile imewekwa the fiber sheet. Fiber sheet wewe ina make inakuwa ina like a bouncing state. Ili hapo ukikalia you feel your bouncing here. Kama vile hii itengenezwa wakati ilikuwa mpya na ilikuwa that's it. Ukitaka seat yake ikue as per ile ulituma hapa, no problem. Haina shida. Bado inaweza ingiana.
Mimi nasema ile
bado
nyumba yao.
Bado hiyo inaweza ingiana. The seat, look at the seat. Vile inakaa. Doesn't have permanent seat. Na hiyo pia imewekwa ka fiber sheet kidogo. Hiyo ndio maana inaleta hiyo shape yake hivi.
Hizi vitu zote zinatoka tu Thailand carpet.
Yaani? Hizi. Hii ni shop nyingine inaitwa Moda. Moda. Hapa nini? Mombasa Road. Opposite next gen.
Hapo nyuma tushaienda huko kwenye tulienda kutafuta zile nini za kitchen.
But I think
so he usually carries his own types of what he can get the materials, and that's what we were looking at this point so that we could choose, but we didn't decide. So we saw one which we weren't sure, so we had to go to Thailand Carpet the next day to go and look for the best quality that we would like. So I'm gonna take you with me to Thailand Carpet tomorrow so you can choose or see what we've chosen. But my husband did like this one, which I thought was also very nice, but we weren't sure. And oh my gosh, this was the last day of these seats in the house. I was super excited, and I was not sad to let them go because they weren't looking very nice. They have been with us through thick and thin. We've had these seats for the longest time, you guys, and I was so happy to see them go. You don't even know. I was so excited, and I couldn't wait for the new ones to come in, especially now this seat ilikuwa imenichosha kabisa, but I was finally glad everything was done, and yeah, we had to move on to something new. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Good morning. So today is on Monday, and I'm headed to Thailand Carpet Center. So yeah, I want to take you with me through this journey because I know it's going to help you or someone else, anyone who watches my video. So I hope this video helps, like really do. Also, I'm loving this red lippy. Oh, it's my go-to nowadays. Very cheap as well. So yeah, let's go to Tile and Carpet to look at the materials.
But she's from Nicaragua. Thought she was Persian love. Are we turning up? Are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No party.
Give me back.
No.
Bad to see. This one?
It is nice, but I feel quality-wise.
Quality-wise.
Yeah.
Okay.
I feel it's light kidogo.
It's light kidogo.
They are nice, lakini quality nasikia iko light sana.
Light kidogo.
Sana.
Okay. Haya, let's walk along this road here.
Woolen. Ini ya?
Hapana, nini ini ndani? Nje nini?
Oh.
Nje nini sasa? Hiyo ndio ndio kaa nje.
Maybe tuende tuka compare moda. Imekuwa light sana.
Ingekuwa mzito, ingekuwa poa.
We didn't find anything in Tile and Carpet, so we went to Moda Carpets and Fabrics. This one? Material ni quality.
Quality is of perfect. Hiyo iko sawa. Hiyo hapo mimi nimemaliza shughuli. Kwa bado sirudi hapo. Nimemaliza. Like that.
Hata inaonekana kama vizuri.
Hebu simama na wewe.
Bado.
Inaonyesha
Inaonyesha kala tofauti, but this is okay. To tell you the truth, they had some very nice fabrics, but most of the colors that we wanted they didn't have, and also their prices were kind of up our budget. So yeah, so we did find for the sofa bed, which was amazing. We went with this color for the sofa bed, and we didn't get the fabric that we wanted here for the larger sofas, but we found it somewhere else. This is kind of going over our budget. This is 2,000. Wait, lakini nayo ni super. It's very nice, but it's too heavy.
Another thing, alternatively, we can hold the throw cushion.
Oh my goodness, guys! It's on Saturday and the seats are finally here. They are bringing them in just now, and I thought, why not just show you? They look so beautiful. So this shade of brown is very dark. It's okay. This will do for now, but they look so nice. They don't even look the same anymore. Even the design looks totally different. Wait until they bring everything together and then I show you. But they look amazing. I love it. It's so huge. It's so big. Just look at that. Well, I'm not a person who sits in the sitting room, but I think with this one, this is my new favorite place. This is my new favorite place. So there's one seat which is this color, which is why I needed this for the throw pillows to color coordinate the colors, because there's this blue